my channel. I know it's been a very long time since like I've done a video like this, and I haven't had like the motivation to like film, and I don't want to put something out that I'm like not happy. So you know, I literally been taking a break and school's been getting to me, so you know, I haven't had really time to really like do videos. But today I was on YouTube, I'm like, I haven't filmed a video, let me film one. And I've been needing to film one. I'm like, why not, let me do a clean with me, because I do need to clean my room. It's morning time, booze. It's 10:54. I need to clean my room because this is not cute. So we're gonna clean my room and we're gonna feel good. And it's a Saturday too. Spring break's almost coming and I'll be off for a week. And so my outfit's not cute. I'm gonna change it. Let me show you my outfit. This is the outfit I wore to sleep. These are the most comfiest pants. I got these at Walmart, and they're these men's black like sleeping pants. That's what they look like. I got them in a small. They're like so comfortable. Like, ugh, I'm obsessed. I like the black look. Like, it's very sleek and, you know, like aesthetic. So yeah, I'm just wearing this, but it's not cute. It's not cute what we're wearing. So I'm gonna change my outfit and I'll be right back. Something a little bit more decent. Okay? Okay. Okay, boo, so this is what I'm wearing. Something cute and aesthetic for now. So let me show you my room real quick and give you like a little tour how messy it is. And Miley wants to come and join. Right, Mom? Give you a little room tour. It's super not cute. It's not cute. So not cute. My bed, I need to make it. It's okay. I just gotta make it. Oh, I'm watching Ugly Betty too. I haven't seen that show in a very long time. I got my cleaning products. These are heavy for some reason. I guess it's like brand new or something. I need to put y'all higher because I can't see y'all that well. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna put whatever clothes away first I have, so I can get that out of the way. Honestly, I have no makeup on today, but it's okay. Actually, my skin's been doing quite well. I have like little bumps here and there. I have like a little pimple. But other than that, I've been quite busy and, you know, school, hanging out with friends, living life. And actually, booze, I'm gonna start going to the gym around the beginning of March. I'm supposed to say August. Beginning of March, I'm gonna start going to the gym because like I've been wanting to go to the gym for like years, and I never had like the confidence to go. So I'm gonna go with my boyfriend, and he's gonna help me because like I don't really know what to do. Like, I know what to do, but just like to start, I'm just like, I'm scared. Like, I don't know what to do. I mean, I'm very excited. I got some like workout clothes already, and if y'all want like a haul of like items I'm gonna be wearing and stuff like that, let me know in comments, or you can just give me a thumbs up, or I'll put a poll on the comment on the writing section where I ask y'all like a poll or something. But yeah, but I'm gonna start going to the gym because your girl wants to get a fatty and a smaller waist. So like this past week I've been trying to eat healthy before like I go to the gym, because I like need to start eating better. Like I've been literally eating a lot of junk, so I really want to like cut down like how I eat and just eat a little bit more healthier. Yeah, booze, your girl's gonna go to the gym. I'm so excited but a little bit nervous, but we got this, booze. New year, new goals, so remember that. It's never too late to start, so I'm pretty excited. And put away all the clothes that were like out that I just need to put in the laundry. And I definitely need to wash my bed, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. I won't film that because it's gonna be like a while. So yeah, I'm just gonna put these clothes and we're gonna start getting to clean. Bed is done. Okay, now I'm gonna start like on this side. Okay, I gotta clean up that little mess right there. I've been talking about y'all. Company sent me a brand, but I'm gonna talk about this later in the video. Put that right there. Clean up a little bit. Oh my god, guys, if y'all haven't gotten yourselves a little portable heater, y'all need to get one because these are like amazing. I love this stuff. This puts me to sleep when it's like cold weather. This is my boo right here. But it hasn't been cold lately. It hasn't been that cold lately, so I'm just gonna take it out and just put it to the side. And I have to put that later. But I'm gonna just clean up any dust around there. I got a new one because it's gonna be like fresh. Okay, I gotta put these shoes up. I just gotta organize a little bit right here. And also, what I've been doing is like once a week I'll be giving myself like a self-care. So like, I don't know if y'all can see me. Like a self-care is so like, I'll take a bath, I'll do like a face mask, I have like salt, Epsom salt in my tub, I have like bubbles, a bath bomb, you know, like this extreme self-care. That's what I'll do like once a week, and I've really been loving it. I've been treating myself by doing that, just, you know, just relax, be calm, focus. That's what I've been doing. So I have one last Lush bath bomb. So I'm just gonna like organize and fix. And this is look at my little cute bubble bath champagne. It's super cute. I got it from like Walmart. I know it's like $1. Make some bubbles, so it's super cute aesthetic when you just like have it placed there and it looks so bougie. And also, I've been doing a lot of like dry brushing, so if you haven't followed me on TikTok, you should, because I got some stuff from my Target, and I've been doing like a lot of dry brushing because it's really helpful for your skin. And yeah, boos, you need to follow me on TikTok because I be posting about like Target hauls. I might do like gym stuff. Follow me on TikTok, boos. So just a little organized. Okay, boo, so now I'm gonna clean my mirror. Excited. I love to clean this mirror for some reason. It's like therapeutic to me. So I'm gonna put these shoes up real quick. Okay, it's time to do that mess.
You know you got it bad and tryna hide it. Breaking an hourglass is perfect timing. You're the one and I found you. Want you in my life. You the one. The way that you catch in my eyes and I'm catching your vibes is a show. I will pull up on you, but somebody like you ain't alone. I know how this goes, but you're the type to make me wanna risk it.
Okay, my vanity looks really clean. It looks aesthetic. So, yeah, that looks really good. Okay, I'm putting some items away. So, I got some cute little new pajamas. I was supposed to wear these for Valentine's. I didn't wear them. I totally forgot. And it was late because it was Valentine's was on Monday. And yeah, but how was y'all's Valentine's? Was it really good? Did you spend it alone or did you spend it with someone special? Okay, cut me off, but it's the Fruit of the Loom brand. It's from like Walmart. It was like super cute aesthetic because I thought like, you know, like aesthetic, you know, just all pink. My mom and I got matching pairs, but Pizza Planet. So I thought this would be super cute, you know, just to wear. You know how I wear my oversized tees, and I also thought maybe for the gym too, you know. I'm done cleaning. I just gotta put my cleans by the way, but look at my new phone case. It's super cute. Can y'all see it? I got it from Shein because I got some like outfits for like Valentine's. So I got this phone case and I got like a bubble pink one. It was super cute, but this one's been my favorite because it's like so cute and aesthetic, and it's 11:48 right now. Took like maybe like 30 minutes cleaning, an hour maybe. My room looks super clean. It looks delicious, honestly. So okay, we have a little commercial moment. So I wanted to say thank you to Merit for collaborating with me and sending me some awesome items. So I just wanted to show y'all what they sent me, and I'm so excited to show y'all. So this is how the packaging came. Open it up. Ah! So it says less is more. That is right. It's this little cute little bag. It says Merit in there, so just like a little cute little bag, and it came with little cards. They gave me to try out their lipsticks. So look at the packaging. They're a signature lip lightweight lipsticks. They're cruelty clean and vegan, and they have many shades to choose from. So I picked out like the nudes because you know me, because I love nudes. So I got 2 shades. So this is the packaging. It looks very bougie. I love their packaging. Very like durable, very strong. It feels like good quality. So this is what it looks like. 2 lipsticks. They're gonna be selling at US Sephora and Canada and Sephora too. So that's the packaging. Super cute. So I got 2 shades. So this one's gonna be baby. I already swatched it for my Instagram, but I want to show y'all. And it says Merit on the lipstick. Super cute. I'll swatch it for y'all. It's like this baby mauve pink. You know me, boo. Super cute. And this one's called Slip. This one's really pretty. It's like a brownie nude. And it also says the same thing. Merit. Let me lower it because I don't want to break it. Show y'all. These are the swatches. So this is Baby. This is Slip. Very beautiful. They're very clean. They go on really softly. They're satin finish. They're really, really pretty, and I really want to try this one. This Slip. This one looks really pretty. So their line is Merit Beauty. I'll look it up on Instagram. Their Instagram, very beautiful. These are the lip shades. So they have a wide variety of what to pick for y'all. And they're $26. So if you want to look, they have other items too. They have blush, mascara, highlighters. Very clean, and that's what I like. So I'll have the link on my bio down in the video. Use my link to shop through there. I really, really love them. They're really soft and creamy, and I love how it's satin, because not a lot of people like matte or like shiny. It's like satin soft lipstick, and I really, really love that. I want to say thank you, Merit, for sending me some amazing lipsticks. I can't wait to try them out because I'm so excited. They look really, really pretty, and these are like my go-to colors, so I'll definitely be having these in my purse when I go out somewhere. So I'm definitely going to try Slip On when I go out later tonight. I have enough nudes, and they also have different varieties of reds, like brownie, I think like purpley. So I have not had breakfast and I'm kind of hungry, so I'm probably gonna go get some breakfast my mom made. She made chorizo, some sausage links. That sounds really good. But yeah, this is gonna give you like an overview of my room looks like, so y'all can see the before and after. Okay, so super clean. Don't mind the little black smoke right there, but that's what it looks like. Clean room. We love that. So my room is super clean now, and it feels good to have like a clean room, honestly, because I haven't had really like a clean room like this in a very long time. So I definitely need this. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.